Hey lovely viewers, welcome to our channel God's Manifesto. Today we are going to hear some powerful messages that can change your entire life. So listen carefully. God is saying to you today, my child, I know you are going through a difficult phase in your life right now. And you are dealing with multiple circumstances, a lot of emotional pain. It seems as though before you can get through one thing, another thing happens. I don't always calm the storm around you. Sometimes I calm the storm raging in you. Do not worry, I am stressing you in areas that you cannot even see right now. You and I will get through this together, like we always do. Everything will be alright. I know you are tired. It seems like your struggles will never end. When you overcome one thing, another storm appears. You seem like cannot win for losing. Your faith is challenged every day. You often wonder, where is my God? Why is this happening? But I have not forsaken you. I am working on your behalf 24 by 7. Even when things appear to be getting worse, do not give up. Your breakthrough is coming. Type yes if you believe in me, and also subscribe God's Manifesto. Thank you.